Hey everyone, welcome back. So, we all have a goal in life that leads us to two places: declutter our living space and make the space around our garden. Translation: if you have tools everywhere, your hammers in your living room and your saws in your kitchen, you're one step away from calling it rustic home decor. That's when you need to realize you need a storage shed. You don't have to have a workshop or a barn or even a fancy tool room. So, you can build one in your backyard. And guess what? It's actually cheap, simple, and surprisingly fun to put together. Today, we're going to walk through the steps on how you can build a storage shed for yourself. The required tools are super basic: a hammer, tape measure, a ruler, saw, pliers, level, nothing else exotic. If you fixed a wobbly chair before, you're probably already prepared. Your materials will be mostly made from pallets. Yep, the same wooden shipping pallets you've seen behind stores. 10 wooden pallets, a pack of 3-inch screws, pack of 4-inch screws, wooden frames plus rafters, varnish or paint, and doorknobs are optional. That's it. Pallets keep the cost way down, and they're tough enough for outdoor storage. Let's get to the step-by-step guide. You'll build a back wall, lay out your rectangular frame, break down the pallets and start filling it with lumber, one board stacked on top of the other. Here's a pro tip. The stacking method keeps the rain from sneaking inside. Stand it up. Once the back is solid, lift it up and check the alignment. Congratulations, you just made a wall. Let's build the front wall and connect it. Create the frame for the front, same size as the back. Attach it to the bottom, then the top. Now the structure can stand on its own. Close those sides up by using screws to fill in both sides of those walls with the pallet boards. Create the roof frame, build 2 identical roof frames and place them on top. Then fill with lumber. Remember the stacking rule. Water runs off as tools stay dry. Seal in the gaps and cover up any negative spaces so rain can't sneak through. Next step, elevate that shed on rafters. Get a buddy to help if you can, and put those rafters underneath. Add flooring boards on the top. This keeps the shed off the wet ground, and you build your and install doors. 2 frame doors, fill with the pallet boards and attach the hinges and hang them on. Now let's organize the interior. You can split yours in half, shelves on one side, hanging space for the big tools on the other. Here's a bonus trick. Drive screws into the wall for hanging tools. Easy to move around if you change your setup up. Add the outside floor and cover with protruding rafters with the boards for a dry, sturdy base. Finishing touches, add some doorknobs, varnishes, or paint for weatherproof. Optional roof tiles or windows, and even expand the design later. Why it works? It's cheap, mostly free, and the pallets plus some screws. Portable, not built on a permanent foundation, so you can't move it if you need to. Functional, but it's not about looks. But if it keeps your tool dry, safe, and organized, that works, right? It's not how your backyard actually looks, but it's like a garden instead of a lumber yard. The question for you though: where or how do you keep your tools? Do you already have a workshop, or are you hiding a wrench in your couch for cushions? Let's drop an answer in a comment. Remember, Ancestry Lands is about promoting generational wealth through land ownership and financial awareness to empower people everywhere. Subscribe, like, and follow us for more content that helps you build your legacy through land. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you build a tool shed and get those tools out of your living room. Thanks for again. Bye-bye. That's it, folks. You can go to Ancestry Lands to start owning property today with payments starting at $250 a month, no credit checks, and owning land has never been easier. It's time to build your land portfolio one property at a time. We help you to get dollars from dirt and build generational wealth by owning small plots of affordable vacant land. Contact us to learn more. Oh, and speaking of dollars from dirt, I also wrote a book about investing in land for you readers out there. My book, Getting Dollars from Dirt, A Beginner's Guide to Vacant Land Investing, is on Amazon. The link is in the description section below. Inside, you'll learn simple, easy to read insights that will have you understanding why you should own land today. For more tips and tricks, subscribe for updates, comment below, and let us know what you enjoyed about this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
And remember, like and subscribe.